Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be unboxing this super case, the Zeb-Mercury Glass Transparent Cabinet. I got this for only 2,800 rupees, and I'll drop the link in the description for your convenience. Do check it out. I'll be transferring my old components to this new cabinet. This cabinet looks really cool because of the side transparent tempered glass and the transparent front, so the viewing is excellent. You can see all the components inside. If you guys want to show off your PC components like the GPU, CPU, or RGB RAM, then this case is perfect for showing off since it can be seen from the front. It comes in two colors, white and black, but I like white because it looks minimalist. This cabinet supports mATX and Mini ITX motherboards, giving you flexibility in your build. At the top section of the chassis, you'll find a USB 3.0 port, along with two additional USB ports, as well as microphone and headphone jacks, offering a wide range of connectivity options. The chassis is furnished with three 120mm ARGB fans, one at the rear and two on the side. Furthermore, it provides space for installing two 120mm cooling fans on the top and offers flexibility to accommodate either two 120mm or two 140mm cooling fans on the bottom. The chassis features various LED light modes, highlighted by vibrant ARGB center glow LED fans with an infinity mirror and a built-in LED control switch. When connected to the motherboard, the fans can synchronize with its ARGB color scheme, producing cohesive lighting effects. Now, let's talk about what I don't like about this cabinet. The size is very small, so if your graphic card is really big, like a 3-fan GPU, it won't fit. Also, if you guys have more than two hard drives, there's no storage or place for keeping the hard drives. But for SSDs, it's okay. It has space for SSDs. Another disadvantage is the airflow is not that good because it's very small, but it's okay. One problem I encountered was when trying to install the CPU cooler. The bracket or the back plate is hard to put with your hand because it is a super small case. It does have trouble installing the CPU cooler, but somehow I managed to install it. Overall, the Zeb-Mercury Glass Transparent Cabinet is a great budget option for those who want to showcase their PC components with a stylish and minimalist design. Despite a few drawbacks, it's still a fantastic case for the price. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.